Peripheral arterial disease affects almost 12 million Americans. It is a narrowing of the arteries in your lower extremities or in your infrarenal aorta that leads to claudication, which is difficulty walking. The most common cause is smoking, by far. But people who are smokers, people who are diabetic, people who have hypertension or hypercholesterolemia, and then age just ends up destroying the arteries slowly. And what happens is you start to try to walk, and your arteries normally will dilate up to meet the demand of you walking. When you start to form plaque inside the artery cannot dilate enough to meet the demand that the muscle has. So the person usually walks about 20 yards and they say, I gotta stop because my legs are cramping up. As it gets worse, the patient starts to experience what's called rest pain, where they need gravity to help them get flow to their foot. So when they go to sleep at night, they put their foot up, and all of a sudden they experience a lot of pain because there's not enough flow. And then the last kind of stages of P.A.D. are what we call tissue loss, where you just start to see the tips of the toes necrose, or wounds that just won't heal. And the reason why is now you have so much significant arterial disease that the heart can't even pump the blood down to the area to give it the nutrients it needs to survive. So the tissue just starts to die. One of the great things about VIR is the extremely wide bench of physicians that we have so that we can cover almost any treatment options. For a National P.A.D. Awareness Month, VIR would recommend that if you're a smoker, you try to stop smoking. There are many programs available throughout the state to help you stop smoking, and you can work with your primary care physicians or with your specialists. We also recommend that you get in an exercise program, 30 minutes a day of some form of cardio, preferably walking. And finally, try to work on your diet. High protein diet, low carbs, low fat. When you do need additional help, we at VIR are here to help you.